Welcome to Best Choice. The best Tactacam Solar is probably one of the most innovative and essential pieces of gear for any serious hunter or outdoor enthusiast looking to keep their trail cameras powered up and recording without the hassle of frequent battery changes or the need for bulky solar panels. This revolutionary device integrates seamlessly with your Tactacam camera, providing a continuous and reliable power source, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment in the field, no matter how remote your location or how long your surveillance needs. Number 5. SEHMUA Cellular Trail Camera. Experience wildlife like never before with stunning 2K HD footage streamed directly to your phone. You can access and control it from anywhere, and even share these incredible moments with loved ones in real time. No Wi-Fi? No problem. This device uses 4G LTE signals to keep you connected, supporting major networks. It comes with a built-in SIM card and an initial unlimited data trial for immediate use. Unlock advanced wildlife insights with its powerful AI engine. It can identify different species and even predict peak animal activity for the next 7 days, keeping you ahead of the game. Enjoy uninterrupted operation thanks to the integrated solar panel. This eco-friendly solution provides constant power, meaning you won't have to worry about frequent charging or battery changes. Never miss a moment with its incredibly fast 0.2-second trigger speed. It accurately captures key events in photos and videos, sending timely alerts directly to your phone via the app. Equipped with advanced low-glow night vision and a wide 120 degrees field of view, it captures clear images up to 82 feet away, even in complete darkness. What we like. Experience wildlife like never before with stunning 2K live streaming and advanced AI animal detection. This camera offers unlimited power from its solar panel, meaning no more frequent battery changes. If you are looking for a set-it-and-forget-it solution with cutting-edge technology, this is the one for you. What people say. The Tactacam Solar is a game-changer for trail camera users, offering continuous power through its solar panel. This eliminates the need for frequent battery changes, ensuring your camera is always ready to capture footage. Its advanced motion detection system is highly sensitive, picking up even subtle movements. The camera's ability to record in high definition provides clear and detailed images, making it easy to identify wildlife. The Tactacam Solar boasts a durable and weather-resistant design, capable of withstanding harsh outdoor conditions. Its compact size and easy mounting system make it convenient to deploy in various locations. Number 4. Tactacam Reveal Solar Panel. Introducing the Reveal Solar Panel by Tactacam. This powerful 12-volt external solar panel is designed to keep your trail cameras running, even when internal batteries are depleted. Experience efficient 12V output that ensures you get the results you need. It's designed to be the reliable power source you can count on. It features an integrated rechargeable lithium battery pack within the panel itself. This means continuous power, day and night. The package includes everything you need: the panel, a cable compatible with Reveal X, XB, X-Gen 2.0, and SK models, a DC charger, strap, and mount. This versatile solar panel provides power to all brands of trail cameras. Never miss a moment due to a dead battery again. We stand by our products. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help ensure you're completely satisfied with your Tactacam purchase. What we like. This solar panel is designed to power all brands of trail cameras, even when their internal batteries are dead. Its integrated rechargeable lithium battery ensures continuous power. If you need a reliable power source for any of your existing trail cameras and want to avoid battery replacements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Tactacam Solar is a game-changer for trail camera users, offering continuous power through its solar panel. This eliminates the need for frequent battery changes, ensuring your camera is always ready to capture footage. Its innovative design integrates the solar panel seamlessly, providing a sleek and durable solution for remote monitoring. The extended battery life means less maintenance and more reliable surveillance of your hunting grounds. Number 3. Bigfoot Solar Charger Kit. Introducing the Bigfoot Solar Charger Kit, your reliable power solution for all outdoor 12-volt DC equipment. Keep your devices running, even when the sun goes down. This kit is perfect for game cameras, feeders, lights, and emergency radios. As long as your equipment has a DC 12V input, it can be powered by this versatile charger. Setting up is a breeze with the included mounting strap and tripod bracket. The adjustable mount ensures perfect alignment with the sun for maximum charging efficiency. Featuring built-in rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, it provides continuous power long after sunset. Say goodbye to constantly replacing disposable batteries. Charge it up using the included AC adapter before heading out. Then, simply connect it to your device via the output port for consistent power delivery. Built to withstand the elements with an IP54 waterproof rating and a wide operational temperature range, this charger is designed for rugged outdoor use. What we like. This solar charger kit is perfect for powering various outdoor 12-volt DC devices, not just game cameras. It features built-in rechargeable lithium-ion batteries and can also be charged via an AC adapter for convenience. If you need a flexible power solution for multiple outdoor gadgets and appreciate the option to precharge, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Tactacam Solar is a game-changer for trail camera users, offering continuous power through its integrated solar panel. This eliminates the need for frequent battery changes, ensuring your camera is always ready to capture footage. Its advanced motion detection technology triggers recording instantly, so you never miss a moment. The high-resolution video quality provides clear and detailed images, even in low-light conditions. The durable, weather-resistant design ensures the Tactacam Solar can withstand various environmental conditions, making it a reliable choice for outdoor use. Number 2. Tactacam Reveal Adjustable Camera Stake. Introducing the Tactacam Reveal Adjustable Camera Stake. Experience superior quality and enhanced stability for all your outdoor camera needs. Its heavy-duty, folding steel 3-spike setup inserts easily into the ground, providing incredibly secure footing for your equipment. Achieve the perfect camera height with the adjustable rotating aluminum pole mount, offering a range from 20 to 54 inches off the ground. This versatile stake features a rotating, adjustable side arm, perfect for attaching a solar panel to keep your camera powered up. The side arm is also detachable for your convenience. Enjoy enhanced adjustability and stability with the 360 gimbal and its standard 1/4-20 attachment. Best of all, no tools are required for setup. What we like. Achieve optimal camera positioning with this adjustable stake, offering enhanced stability for all your trail cameras. Its heavy-duty design allows for secure footing and adjustable height from 20 to 54 inches. If you prioritize a stable, versatile mounting solution that allows for easy solar panel attachment, this stake is a must-have. What people say. The Tactacam Solar is a game-changer for trail camera users, offering continuous power through its integrated solar panel. This eliminates the need for frequent battery changes, ensuring your camera is always ready to capture footage. Its advanced motion detection technology ensures that you never miss a moment. The camera activates instantly upon detecting movement, providing crisp and clear images and videos, even in low-light conditions. The durable and weatherproof design makes the Tactacam Solar suitable for all outdoor environments. It can withstand rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, providing reliable performance year-round. Number 1. Tactacam 64GB MicroSD card with adapter. Capture all your adventures with this ultra-class 10 MicroSD card. It offers incredible speed and reliability for all your recording needs. With a generous 64GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your photos and videos. Never worry about running out of room again. This card comes complete with an adapter, making it easy to transfer your files to any device. Enjoy seamless connectivity and convenience. Built to last, this storage solution is designed for durability. You can trust it to perform in any condition. It's the ideal companion for your action camera, ensuring you don't miss a single moment. Get yours today and start recording. What we like. Capture every moment with this ultra-class 10 microSD card, offering high-speed performance for your trail camera footage. With ample storage, you won't miss a single frame. If you need a dependable memory card to ensure smooth recording and sufficient space for all your photos and videos, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The Tactacam Solar is a game-changer for trail camera users, offering continuous power through its integrated solar panel. This eliminates the need for frequent battery changes, ensuring your camera is always ready to capture footage. Its advanced motion detection system is highly sensitive, capturing even subtle movements with remarkable accuracy. The camera's durable construction also makes it suitable for harsh outdoor environments, providing reliable performance in various weather conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.